How to hard reset OnePlus 15R.
Step 1. Power off the OnePlus 15R by pressing and holding the power button together with the volume up button. Then, swipe down on the screen to turn the device off and wait for the vibration confirming shutdown.
Step 2. Press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time, and when the OnePlus logo appears, release the power button while continuing to hold volume down to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Adjust the screen brightness if needed, select your preferred language, and continue to the recovery menu to proceed with the reset process. Further guide is available in the description below.
Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.